Hello students, today is my second lecture on the integral of trigonometric functions. Today I am going to discuss the integral of type sin ax into sin bx dx, cos ax into cos bx dx or sin ax into cos bx dx. And to integrate these type of function we have to use these identities of trigonometry. First is 2 sin a cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. These all identities we have studied in the plus one class. It is 2 cos a into sin b is sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. 2 cos a cos b, it is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. And 2 sin a sin b, cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Okay, now first here I have one question. Integral of sin 3x into cos 4x dx. Now this is the of type sin ax into cos bx. The first step is multiply and divide the function by 2. Then we get 1 by 2 into 2 sin 3x into cos 4x dx. Now here we have to apply the identity of 2 sin a cos b. Now what is 2 sin a cos b? 2 sin a cos b is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. To apply this identity we get sin 3x plus 4x plus sin 3x minus 4x into dx, because sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Now we get sin 7x minus sin x dx. Now integral of sin 7x is minus cos 7x over 7 and integral of minus sin x is plus cos x and plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Now if three digits are there, this is the question number 3rd of NCERT 7.3. It is integral of cos 2x into cos 4x into cos 6x. So first step again same, multiply and divide by 2. Then we get 1 by 2 into 2 cos 2x cos 4x into cos 6x dx. Here apply the identity of 2 cos a cos b. It is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b into cos 6x dx. So now we get cos 6x plus cos 2x multiply by cos 6x, and now multiply this cos 6x in the bracket. Then we get cos square 6x plus cos 2x cos 6x into dx. Now convert this function as by using cos square a, integral of even function. So it is 1 plus cos 12x by 2. Formula of cos square a is 1 plus cos 2a over 2, and cos 2x cos 6x again multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 cos 2x into cos 6x dx. तो now we get 1 plus cos 12x प्लस ये 2 बाहर एलसीएम ले लिया है, तो 1 प्लस कॉस 12x एंड यहाँ पर आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई करेंगे 2 cos a cos b, that is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Then we get cos 12x plus 1 plus cos 8x plus cos minus 4x, but cos minus 4x is equal to cos 4x because cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. तो ये cos 4x ही बन जाएगा. Now integrate all these functions. Integration of cos 12x is sin 12x divided by differentiation of 12x, that is 12. Integration of 1 is x. Integration of cos 8x is sin 8x over 8, and integration of cos 4x is sin 4x over 4, and plus c, that is constant of integration. Now by multiply the bracket by 1 by 4, we get the answer of the question. Sin 12x over 48 plus x by 4 plus sin 8x by 32 plus sin 4x over 16 and plus c. And in this way you can do all the questions of this type. Now for the next question,